Oh man. Some control arms and everything on there, spindles, uppers and lowers. As y'all can see, I did chip that paint. I didn't do it correctly, but it is what it is moving forward. Brake line, spring, coil spring, shock, KYB, tie rod end, spindle, hub bearing, rotor, all that, man. You're coming along. I'm gonna be done with all this, and I'm still gonna have to send everything off to get the motor work. So just wanted to see it, and it does work. It's not all the way. Man, 92 Mustang, man. What's happening, man? Man, you want to be on my YouTube channel, man? And what we got here, man? It's all original, huh? Yeah. Those are the Mustangs off the new edge. Yeah, the rims. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I want to come with you. I want to go inside, Daddy. Yes, sir. That sounds good.
Here, it needs a little lubrication. A little lubrication.
Thank you, sir. Like you said, while we wait, we hydrate. Good, sound real strong.
Dirty as hell. I don't drive it like I got a company truck, but
yeah.
I actually prefer driving that over that. We used to hotwire this bitch in middle school.
He said this is his first car, man. That's cool.
For 22 years I've had this.
Man, you came out the gate hard though.
I drive on eBay today. It was you fix this shit or you didn't go out on the weekends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting it done. That's why I say, man, Mustang guys really be cool though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the other one, do you got a motor still in it? That man got two of them.
Yeah, runs and drives. Yeah, I don't think it's got a battery in it right now.
Well, you did to this one though, man. You got a cam in it and stuff. I see it's a different intake.
Triple stage 1 cam. It's got the Explorer intake.
So why you do that on the intake? Why did you swap it?
This is actually a 96 Explorer engine. Yeah. Because we got GT40 heads, the 3-bar heads.
So this a 4.6 still?
No, it's a 5.0, yeah.
It's a 5.0, okay. Because you say Explorer, off rip, I'm thinking 4.6. Yep. All right, so got everything on there. As y'all can see, it took a lot of tools. Plus, I had to bring my floor jack back over here. I got 19 sockets, 14 wrenches, all kinds of this. I even got like a 22 down there because these bolts are different. When you get ready to put the spindle on, I made a lot of adjustments. I flipped these bolts around because I realized I had them backwards. I looked at some YouTube videos. I believe it's my boy D's Lifestyle. He out there in Georgia, I believe. Man, that boy doing some very good work with the G-body. And I just enjoy his content, man. That boy be doing his thing. But I realized that the upper control arms wasn't tight enough. So I flipped the bolts around. As you can see, that side is still backwards. I put the shims in there. Pretty sure that these shims is not right, but I just wanted to just do a basic mock-up, get everything on here, and then I have somebody come and take a look. As you can see, I did put the spindle. I got the hub bearing, got everything in here. It's not as easy to spin. That's a big bolt. Then you got another bolt right here, as you can see right there. And I'm waiting to put the cotter pins in. I do have that shock in there, and I was able to sit the spring in there. I had to tap on it a couple times, and then I put the shocks together, attached them at the top and the bottom. It's 2 bolts on the bottom, and then you got this one on the top, and then you have a couple bushings that you have to put in between the top part right here. So it's a bushing on this bottom side and a metal plate, I believe. It goes like plate, bushing, bolts. Yeah, so I know I need to add a ball joint in this bottom lower control arm. It's a grease fitting hole that I know I need to put in there. But I'm gonna go over here. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go ahead and make the adjustments needed for this top control arm. But my main concern right now, as y'all can see, it's a bunch of bugs in here and it's hot as hell. As of right now though, I have to get another bolt to fit this shock. And this is what the bolt looks like, and it has a nut, and I need 2 of them. So I'll probably be going to Ace Hardware tomorrow, trying to find another bolt really similar to this, or maybe like an O'Reilly's. I looked in my all my stuff for all these bolts. I got so many bolts, but I couldn't find one quite like this, because I would like to just use what I have, honestly. I just gotta sit this one to the side so I don't lose it. I believe that's 14 millimeter, but I just dumped everything out, and I'm like, if it's in here, I'm gonna try my best to find it so I can go ahead and make this progress tonight. I don't like working and just keep on going through setbacks, stop. But every time I stop, it gives me time to think, regroup, come up with a better strategy on how I'm gonna get it done. See, that's close. It's real close right there. I just want to make sure that that thread count and everything is the same. The pitch and everything is the same. So I'm most likely gonna have to go to Ace Hardware and try to see if I can find one of these bolts and the nuts. I'm just dumping every one of these bags because these bags could have them in there. I'm trying to stop having all this crap that's disorganized. I had a hard time finding the lug nuts. Then I found out that I had left them in this bag with the control arms and everything. So this one has the washers in it. I still have to find the driver side lug nuts, even though I'm pretty sure I'm going to replace them. I still need to locate them in the meantime. So I'm looking. So this is the passenger side. And man, it's gonna be so crazy because I'm probably gonna have that bolt that I need. It's probably gonna be here, but just to be safe and sure, because those lug nuts, I'm about to replace them anyway. But I'm just big on keeping my stuff stocked as possible and trying to bag and tag and keep my inventory tight. That's it. That's all I'm trying to do. Just keep the inventory really tight. Let me check through here one more time, because there's no way that my lug nut, my lug nuts just came up missing like that. See, these are the shims and stuff, so that let me know this is the fender, inner fender liners, things like that. Oh, there we go. Might have one right here. That's probably about the daggone bolt that I'm gonna need. It's crazy because I got all this crap in here, but I don't have what I need right now. And that gets me real stressed out, this all fender stuff. Oh man. If y'all see these lug nuts, man, y'all remember what I did with them. Y'all been watching my videos. show letting me know, man, because I need these ones right about now. See, I thought it might be in here, but it's not. I'm telling what that is. Oh man, where are they? Mind blowing how I lose 5 lug nuts, you know? It ain't there. Man, what did I do with them? Well, we still got this last spring to put in. We'll definitely put that on. Another Beltec, another sticker. I did the 1-inch Beltec drop springs. And that part number is 5104 if you're trying to buy it. It's the Beltec 5104. The drop springs. Oh man, but I don't know where these lug nuts is. I'm looking everywhere for them. Ain't no telling, man. Ain't no telling. This is all the old stuff for the control arms and everything. I don't even know what that was. It just fit on my little rubber wheel. Let me grab that. Ooh, I might need that later. Oh man. So I thought I had put them all in these boxes and stuff. I thought I had set them over here to the side. I was like, I'm gonna come back to them soon. You know, it's a whole year later and I'm just now looking for them because I haven't had some tires on this car in over a year now. So, ain't no telling. Hanging up in there, all kinds of crap. This is where I really thought I had put them at, in this box. Oh well, I just had to get a whole nother set anyway. And probably get the locks put on these. You know. Watch, the minute I buy a set, that's probably when I'm gonna find them. They're gonna be sitting back and I'm gonna be like, why did I not look there? Oh yeah, again, it may just because I'm looking for them. The minute I stop looking for them, I'll probably find them. So, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and remove these bolts. And probably try to put my shims up in there and do it like that. That side's way tighter. And as you can see, they flipped around backwards. So I gotta flip these around, get them like that. And yeah, man, I'm chipping up that frame like a mug though. So I can see that, like I said, that paint that I put on there, without etch and primer, I guess it's just not gonna stick. It is what it is. I'm gonna keep on moving forward, even with rust and everything. I'm still gonna enjoy this car. I'm still gonna enjoy this car. Ain't nothing gonna stop me from enjoying my car. Not this late in the game. No sir. So they got shims, everything right there. With no bolts for the no lug nuts. So I don't even know what these go to no more. And these thrust bearings, I won't be needing these until I buy my coilovers. And like it got the coilover handle in here, or that wrench or whatever. I feel like it's in there. It should possibly be in there to adjust it. But we're gonna just put this over here until another time. yeah, man, I'll get back with y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and throw y'all on time lapse. I'm gonna reverse them real quick, put those shims on there, and then I'm gonna call it a night. So, yes, sir.